How to view reposted Instagram post 2026. Want to know who's resharing your Instagram content? I'll show you exactly how to see who reposted your post. If this helps you track your reach, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Enjoy this video from all the Instagram posts, which is great for expanding your reach and engagement. Whether you're a content creator tracking your viral TikTok, a business monitoring brand posts, or just curious about who's sharing your posts, knowing how to see reposts is valuable. Today, I'm showing you the exact methods to find out who reposted your Instagram posts in 2026. First, check the repost counter on your post. Open Instagram and go to the post you want to check. Below the image or video, you'll see the row of engagement metrics showing likes, comments, and shares. Tap on the number next to the share arrow icon. This will show you total shares, which includes both direct messages and reposts to feeds. However, this number is cumulative and doesn't break down who specifically reposted versus who just shared via DM. Second, look at your notifications for repost activity. When someone reposts your content, Instagram sometimes sends you a notification, especially if you have a creator or business account. Swipe down from the top of your Instagram home screen or tap the heart icon to open your notifications. Look for notifications that say someone reposted your post. Tap on these notifications to see who reposted. However, notifications only show recent activity and older reposts may not appear here. Third, use Instagram Insights if you have a professional account. If you've switched to a creator or business account, you get access to detailed analytics. Go to your post, tap View Insights below the image, and scroll down to the Interactions section. Here you'll see metrics like shares, which shows how many times your post was shared. While this doesn't give you individual names, it shows the total repost count and sharing trends. For more detailed data, tap on your profile, select Professional Dashboard, and review your content performance. Fourth, manually search for your content using hashtags and mentions. If your original post included unique hashtags or your username, search for those tags to find reposts. Tap the search icon, enter your hashtag or username, and browse through posts. People who repost often keep the original caption including your tag, making your content easier to find. This method is time-consuming but effective for finding public reposts. Fifth, use third-party Instagram analytics tools for comprehensive tracking. Apps and websites like Iconosquare, Later, or Hootsuite offer advanced tracking features that monitor when and where your content is reposted. These tools often provide detailed reports showing who shared your posts, when they did it, and how much engagement those reposts received. You'll need to connect your Instagram account and most require a paid subscription for full features. Sixth, enable tagged post notifications to catch reposts. Go to Settings, tap Notifications, then scroll to Posts, Stories, and Comments. Enable notifications for when you're tagged in posts. Many users tag the original creator when reposting, so you'll get notified immediately. To check these, go to your profile and tap the person icon with a checkmark to see all posts where you've been tagged, which often includes reposts. Here's a pro tip that content creators use. Create a unique branded hashtag for your content and encourage followers to use it when reposting. For example, if your username is FitnessJane, create a hashtag like FitnessJaneReposts. Ask your audience to include this hashtag when sharing your content. Then you can simply search that hashtag anytime to see every repost in one place. This is especially powerful for businesses running campaigns or influencers building community. Another insider trick is to watermark your images with your username or logo. This makes it easy to reverse image search using Google Images or TinEye to find where your content has been reposted across Instagram and even other platforms. Just download your image, go to Images Google.com, click the camera icon, upload your image, and Google will show you everywhere it appears online. So to recap, seeing who reposted your Instagram post requires checking the share counter on your post, monitoring your notifications for repost alerts, using Instagram Insights for professional accounts, manually searching hashtags and tags, utilizing third-party analytics tools, and enabling tagged post notifications. The most reliable method is combining Instagram's native notifications with third-party analytics tools for comprehensive tracking. If this guide helped you track your Instagram reposts, please like this video and subscribe for more Instagram growth and analytics tips. Have you ever had a post go viral through reposts? What was it about? Share your success story in the comments below. Thanks for watching.